Need help signing into your BingX account? Logging in during 2026 only takes a few steps, and using the right security options can help keep your account protected. Start by opening the BingX official website on your phone. Tap Login and choose how you want to sign in. Depending on your account setup, you can usually use your email address, phone number, or username. Enter your password carefully and continue to the next step. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, BingX will ask for your verification code from your authenticator app, SMS message, or email. If your account supports passkeys or biometric login, you may also be able to sign in using Face ID, fingerprint recognition, or your device PIN for faster access. After successful verification, you'll be taken directly to your account dashboard and trading interface. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to begin the recovery process. Always make sure you're using the official BingX app or website before entering your login information. And that's how you log into your BingX account in 2026. Keep your security settings updated and enable additional protection features whenever possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BingX tutorials and crypto guides.